Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out some family walkie-talkies. Oh, these are easy to use, safety for kids, clear crisp sound, one-to-many, strong and stable signal, Vox hands-free operation. This is a 3-pack, I believe. And I'll leave a link to a similar item below on Amazon if you guys want to check it out. These run probably about $40, I'm guessing. So first things first, we get a pack of batteries. There's three, okay, and 3. So we got 9 AA batteries. I don't know if those are rechargeable or not. Here we have, oh, that's pretty cool. Green is my favorite color. And there is that, a green one. So it looks like we got a belt clip on this. Let's see here. Might need to remove the belt clip. Does that slide out? Okay. Slide out, just push this little tab and it slides up so we can access our battery here. So we can access the battery. Okay, there we go. Just like that. Let's go ahead and load one of these bad boys up, shall we? This is kind of a... Good night. Man, that was no joke right there. Okay, so obviously with most batteries, plus to minus, I don't think we need a tutorial on that, do we? Get that in there. Boop, boop. And we have liftoff. All right, so, oops, drop the, that slides back in there, clicks back into place. Where did that go? Naturally, it goes under the desk there. Okay, so this belt clip, simply slide it back into place. There we go. So that is that. Where's the ETPC? Let's check this out here, shall we? I'm not sure what that is there. Oh. So it's got a scan, got a call, different channels. Okay, it's got a battery display, what your battery's at, different things like that. So kind of neat there. Let's continue with the unboxing, shall we? All right, what do we have here? So it looks like we have some lanyards. I wonder where these go. Okay, so it's got a spot down here for headphones also, and micro USB charging, so I guess those batteries are rechargeable. I'm trying to find out where my lanyard goes here. I'm not seeing an obvious spot unless it's through the belt loop part here, but you could attach this pretty much wherever you wanted, feed that through there, I'm thinking. Maybe this part right here in the back. I could stick it in there. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So it feeds, I'm not sure if that's the designated area, but that seems the most obvious to me. Hello. Okay, so this can feed up into there. Now what's cool about these, just release that real quick so I can get this attached on there. So put your line through, and then push it over, and there you go. So I like these. These can just snap on there. Yeah, you got your whole cord right there, and if you want to release it, just press that in, and it comes out. So pretty cool. So that is that, and it comes with a blue one and a gray one, which is some nice colors there. All right, let's continue, shall we? Here we have, oh, Okay. It looks like a USB cord that branches into 3 micro USBs. Okay, this next walkie-talkie is a silver one, and same everything there. And then a blue one, blue being my second favorite color. That one looks pretty sweet there. I like that dark blue color. And that would go nicely with the blue lanyard there as well. So pretty cool. What else we got here? All right, we have, what is this? Okay, it's a little wall plug-in for USB there. And then, least but not last, we have the instructions. So walkie-talkie guide here, antenna, backlit LCD, scan button, a whole bunch of different things. Wrist connection. I guessed right. That was where the wrist connection goes, right on the back of that little thing. So belt clip, battery attachment, call lock, PT, push to talk. Where's the push to talk? Number 11. Okay. Right over here, this thing that I was trying to take off is actually the button. So push to talk. Mayday, mayday. Okay, so features hands-free operation, 22 channels, weather alert. It's kind of cool. I wonder how it does that. 121 privacy codes, battery level indicator, scan icon, Roger beep, low power, call alert, button lock. So a whole bunch of different things here. I'm going to play with this a little bit and do a little tutorial and stuff. That's it for the unboxing, my friends. Pretty cool. I believe these are said to have like a 2-mile range or something. I'm gonna have to test out the range, and we'll see how far away we can get with these. So, yeah, that's about it for this one, my friends. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out on Amazon if you want to. These run around, I believe I said around $35 or something like that. So pretty cool. Nice to have in, campgrounds, or if you guys are hiking, you get separated or something. It's good to have communication if the cell phones aren't working or whatever. So, all right, my friends, we'll be doing a review video soon. I will leave that link in the description below when I get that finished. So thanks for watching this unboxing. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.